Are you tired of feeling left out when friends talk about their investment wins? Do you fear that you're missing out on building your own wealth because the world of investing seems too complicated or risky? Imagine transforming your financial outlook with just a few simple steps that anyone, regardless of their starting point, can follow. We're breaking down investing into 3 easy-to-grasp rules that will not only demystify the process but set you on a path to money freedom and growth. Get ready to turn your investment anxiety into your next success story. Imagine someone who barely knew about investing and decided to give it a try. A few years later, they're not just saving money, they're watching it grow. This is not just a lucky break, it's what can happen when you invest wisely, even with a small start. Investing isn't just for the rich or financial experts. It's a powerful tool for anyone wanting to increase their money. Investing might sound complex or risky, but it doesn't have to be. Think of it as a way to set up a secure future for yourself and possibly your family. Whether you're looking at having a comfortable retirement, buying a house, or just having extra security, investing can help you get there. You might be interested in looking for the best stocks to buy, or the top crowdfunding websites, or even considering HSBC certificate of deposit. In this video, we'll go through 3 simple rules that anyone can follow to start investing. These aren't complicated strategies but basic guidelines to help you begin. You don't need a lot of money to start, and you don't need to know all the financial jargon right away. What you do need is the willingness to take that first step and a little bit of patience to watch your investments grow over time. So, whether you're completely new to this or you've thought about investing but haven't started yet, these 3 rules will set you on the right path. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of how to start investing in a way that is manageable and not overwhelming. Let's dive in and find out how to make your money work for you. Rule 1. Start small and start now. Many people think you need a lot of money to start investing, but that's not true. You can begin with a little amount and still see your money grow over time. The key here is to start as soon as you can. Even if it's a small step, the earlier you begin, the better off you'll be, thanks to something called compound interest. Compound interest is like a magic trick for your money. Here's how it works. You invest some money, and it earns a little bit more money as interest. Next time, you earn interest on both your original money and the interest from before. Over years, this adds up a lot. For example, if you start with $100 and it grows by 5% each year, in 20 years, you won't just have your original $100, you'll have over $265. That's because the interest keeps building on itself. Now, you might wonder, how do I start? Here are some easy ways. Robo-advisors are online platforms that help you manage your investments. All you need to do is create an account, deposit some money, and they will take care of the rest for you. On the other hand, mutual funds are collections of stocks, bonds, or other investments that are professionally managed. By investing in these funds, you can spread your risk across multiple assets, even with a relatively small amount of money. It's also important to find the money to invest. Look at your budget and see where you can cut back a little, maybe eating out less or skipping that extra coffee. The money you save can go into your investments. Let me tell you about Maria. She didn't have a lot of spare cash, but she decided to start investing with just $50 a month. She chose a simple mutual fund through an app on her phone. At first, it didn't seem like much, but she kept at it. Years later, not only has her $50 a month grown significantly, but she also learned a lot along the way. Her small initial investment set her on a path to more significant investments and financial confidence. Starting small has a big advantage. It lets you learn as you go without taking huge risks. And the sooner you start, the more you can benefit from that magical compound interest. So don't wait for the right moment or until you think you have enough money. Start now, start small, and watch your investments grow over time. Rule 2. Diversify your investments. Putting all your money into one type of investment is like only having one key on your keyboard. It limits what you can do. Diversification is the process of spreading your money across different types of investments. This way, if one investment doesn't do well, you still have others that might be doing better. Imagine if you only ate one type of food every day. Not only would it be boring, but if that food suddenly wasn't available, you'd have nothing to eat. Diversification in investing works the same way. It's about not putting all your eggs in one basket. By investing in a mix of assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate, you reduce the risk of losing money and increase the chance of making money over time. There are various types of assets that you can invest in. Stocks, which are essentially shares of a company, are one option. Another option is bonds, which work like loans to the government or a company, and you get paid back with interest. Real estate can also be a good investment, as owning property can earn you rental income, or you can sell it for a profit in the future. It is important to diversify your investments across different sectors and countries, just like you might have different apps on your phone for various needs. Investing in various industries, such as technology, healthcare, and finance, and different countries can help you spread your risk. This is because if one sector or country experiences problems, others might be doing fine, which can help you balance out your losses and gains. Let's look at Alex. He started by investing only in technology stocks, but during a year when tech stocks were down, so was his investment value. He learned his lesson and started diversifying. He added healthcare stocks, bonds, and even some international funds into his portfolio. The next time the tech sector was hit hard, his other investments in different sectors cushioned the blow. Thanks to diversification, Alex's portfolio was more stable, and he continued to see growth overall. Diversification doesn't make investing completely safe, but it does make it safer. By spreading your investments, you're not just relying on one thing to succeed. This approach helps protect your money and can lead to better results over time. So remember, don't put all your investment in one place. Spread it out and watch your financial health improve with a well-rounded investment strategy. Rule 3. Keep learning and stay informed. Investing isn't just about putting your money somewhere and hoping for the best. It's also about understanding what's happening with your investments and the wider market. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. This rule is all about the importance of keeping yourself educated and up to date. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. The more you understand financial concepts and how the economy works, the better you can manage your investments. You don't have to become a financial expert, but learning the basics can make a big difference. Here are some ways to boost your financial education. There are many great books and online resources that can teach you about investing. Start with simple guides and beginner books. If reading isn't your thing, there are tons of podcasts and video tutorials that can help you learn at your own pace. The financial market changes all the time. What worked for investing last year might not work this year. That's why it's important to stay informed about financial news and market trends. Financial news apps can be a great resource for keeping up to date with the latest financial news. With many of these apps, you can set alerts to receive important news that may impact your investments. Additionally, there are various investment tracking tools and apps available that allow you to monitor your investments in real time. Access to the latest data can help you make informed decisions regarding your investments. Consider the story of Linda, who has been investing for over 20 years. When she started, Linda knew very little and made decisions based on tips from friends. As she began to read more about investing and followed market trends, she became better at spotting good investment opportunities. She adjusted her strategies based on new learning and stayed resilient during market ups and downs. Today, Linda credits her success to her commitment to continuous learning and adaptability in her investment choices. Keep learning and stay informed if you want to succeed in investing. Financial education helps you understand your investments and the market, while staying updated allows you to adapt to changes. Together, they empower you to make smarter investment decisions, leading to better financial outcomes. So, Dive into learning and keep your knowledge fresh to navigate the investment world with confidence.